Here, we're going to take one of them boats. Like that.
I know.
Just get.
We'll take it from the front. Oh, because I sent it to you.
All ashore that's going ashore. You are now clear to exit the boat. Gather all your personal items. Take small children by the hand. Please take your time and watch your step. On behalf of the crew, thanks for sailing with us.
Watch your step.
So this is
Welcome
the boat.
aboard. For your safety, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside our boat at all times and supervise your children. Now relax and enjoy your cruise, and we'll have you at your port of call in just a few minutes. Thanks for sailing with us.
Okay, so this is the boat that takes you to the Magic Kingdom. Sometimes it makes us stop at the Wilderness Lodge first, but you take it right here at the campground. And then it takes you to the Magic Kingdom. And those boats right there are the pontoons that you can rent from Fort Wilderness. And the little boats are the mouse boats that you could take. And that guy there is just waving to us. So I just waved back. There's another boat, a pontoon you can rent. You take it out on your own, there's no driver, so that's a cool thing. You don't have to have somebody right there babysitting you. And you can pretty much go around this whole area if you rent a pontoon. That over there is Discovery Island. I'm sure they might say something on the intercom about it. That's their little water patrol people right here, making sure that none of these mouse boats or pontoons get in front of this boat. They have like a little security, water security people. Lake patrol. That hotel that's straight ahead is the Wilderness Lodge. And that's a shoe tree. There's a bunch of shoes on that tree. I don't think you could see it from here, but people, I don't know who the heck has thrown all their shoes. And that over there, see that old bridge? That's the other side of river country. What used to be river country. Hopefully you can kind of see that. And like I said, this used to be Discovery Island many years ago. See that boat? You can barely see it. It looks like a log, but that was part of the Discovery Island. You see the Wilderness Lodge. If you look at the two triangles, to see the flags on top, then the two triangles for windows and the nose. That's a bear face. That one straight ahead is now the Contemporary. This more square looking one is a Contemporary. The rounder one, I don't know if it has a new name or it's just an addition to the Contemporary. Alright, that new rounded hotel over there, that's called Bay Lake. Oh, for the vacation club. So that's what that new rounded one is. Oh, here comes another one. So you're not sitting there waiting too long at Fort Wilderness before another boat comes your way. I think the most we've waited is 20-30 minutes. And that's on a rare occasion. know the little mouse boats? If you rent a mouse boat, you could come all through this waterway. And right here is a water bridge. We are actually going over a road, if you see that. And I think it's 1 out of like 10 in the world. If you want to look it up, I'm sure you could find it, but that's pretty uncommon. The boat went right over the street. There's Space Mountain. The white, as soon as this bush gets out of the way. That's Space Mountain, the white building. You can see the tops of the Cinderella's castle. You can barely see Astro Orbiter above those brown parking areas there, brown tent things. So those big boats over there, that's what you would normally take if you come as a regular guest and you don't stay at Fort Wilderness or one of these resorts that's on the water. Then you park and then you have to take that boat.
We are preparing to dock.
And then it docks and you get off.
And docking can
There you're at Magic Kingdom.
For your safety, if you're seated, remain seated. And if you're standing, hold on to the handrail. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until the captain gives you the all clear to go ashore.